Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing with a few different products, one of them being the Amrezy palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So before I jump into this video, I just wanted to show the main product I'm going to be working with, and that is the Amrezy palette. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It is beautiful. I'm obsessed. Not only are the colors really pretty, but the names are cute. So let's get into it. Now that I primed my face, I'm gonna prime my eyelid. So I'm just gonna take a couple of dots from my concealer, and the concealer I'm using is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm using the color Macademia. So this is gonna act as a primer. And this is just going to help your eyeshadow last throughout the day. Alright, so now that we are done with priming, I'm going to dip into my first color in this palette. So the first color I'm going to be using is the color OG. I'm going to put this color above my crease, but leaving space underneath the brow bone. That looks good. So the next color I'm going to be taking is 1988, which is this darker brown. So I'm going to focus this color in the crease. So the next color I'm going to be using is BK, which is the black shade. I'm going to take it in the outer corner and inner corner of the lid, but leaving a gap in the center part of the eyelid. And I'm also going to take it around up into the crease. So now that I finished blending that out, I'm going to apply the last color on the lid, and that color is Cupcake, which is this really pretty glittery. So that color I'm going to put in this blank space, as well as covering it on the rest of my eyelid. All right, so now that I finished this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. I am back, and this is the eyeshadow look so far. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. So I have been using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless foundation. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit, put some on my hand. And then I just like to apply dots all over my face. Alright, so we have foundation on. Now for concealer. I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, but I'm not going to blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm going to blend it out with this e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. I blended out my concealer, no problem. Did not pick up any makeup. I'm very impressed with this sponge. I love it. It's $5 as opposed to a beauty blender, which is $20. So I think that's a no-brainer. I'm gonna go ahead and contour off camera. So I will be right back. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. So I normally don't like doing my eyebrows on camera just because my eyebrows are really not cute. I have short eyebrows like my dad. And aside from that, I butchered them a long time ago. So with that being said, the next product I'm going to be using is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I'm obsessed with this. I'm so sad that I got the mini version. I got the mini version because I wasn't sure what color was going to go well with me, and yeah, but I did give this a go already, and I am obsessed. I'm assuming you have to go up, but this one I'm going to go like up and down and here. I'm going to go up, but from the bottom just because I don't have eyebrows there. So now that I'm done with basically the rest of my face. I'm going to go back into the palette and we are going to get the BK shade, which is this black shade. And I'm going to use that basically as my liner. All right, so now I'm going to take my black eyeliner, my pencil liner, which is basically the same one I've been using for forever. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever right here. It's NM. So I'm going to put this in my waterline. In the bottom and in the top right here. Okay, so I'm actually going to go in with 1988 as well. And just blend it in with the black here, but focusing it on the outer area. All right, so now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this on this side. Okay, so I did both sides of my under eye part. So now go ahead and put on my Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. I'm obsessed with this. This has been my go-to. If you guys love a particular mascara, please let me know. That you take it from the roots or whatever and you swiggle it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my false eyelashes and I'll be right back. So here you have it, guys. This is the final look. I'm obsessed with how this look came out and I'm obsessed with the Amrezy palette. I'm also obsessed with everything I actually used. So if you guys want to see a full list of every product that I used, I'm gonna have it listed down below. And I guess that's it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.